If you watched my last video, you saw how to create a quick college anthem with Suno AI in 2 minutes. But in this video, we are diving deeper. We are going to create something that doesn't just sound good but also feels personal. While that 2-minute method works, here's what happens when you take your time. The difference, we are bringing ChatGPT into the mix, and I'm going to show you exactly how. The difference is night and day. One sounds like an AI trying to rap about college, the other it sounds like your actual college experience set to music. So for the first step, you'll have to come to ChatGPT and enter this prompt where you will ask ChatGPT to act as an expert interviewer and ask you to provide information about all these things, about unique traditions at your college, inside jokes with your friends, real names and nicknames of your friends, memorable mishaps that might have happened, personal growth movements that might have happened, and the location specific details, so that all these can be included in the final lyrics that we create from ChatGPT. And then finally you give this prompt. Using these memories, structure them into rap verses following the format: first verse 1, setting the scene, and so forth. And once you do that, it will give you the entire song. So this time also we come to the create page, and this time we switch on this custom switch, and now we can enter our lyrics which were generated by our ChatGPT. So you can mention verse 1, verse 2, bridge, chorus, and then it also asks for the style of music. So we can write Hindi, rap, and it also gives you certain templates that you can use. You can say Hindi, rap, fast paced, and then we can give our own title as well. XLRIG gang, and then click on create. Because I gave stories about our late night pool session, it has even created a pool related image of the song. So you can see it has finished creating our song. It has created 2 versions, so let's hear them one by one.
मेरे रूम में रात ढाली है, दारा की सूट चर्चा की तोली आई है, लोड मशीन और डेमी ने क्यों थामी है, पूरे टेबल पे जंग अभी बाकी है, हार के बाद भी खेलते रहेंगे, बेशुदा के ढाबे पे भूख मिटाएंगे, रात के तारों को साथी बनाएंगे, हर हार जीत में मुस्कुराएंगे। खेल से ज्यादा ये दोस्ती की कहानी, पूल की बॉल से बनी जिंदगानी, टेंशन दूर हुई, दिल हल्का हुआ, हर रात नई याद बन गई।
So this song, it sounds much more relevant to us because we had all those memories when we were in college. So let's hear the other version as well.
एक्टिविटी रूम में रात खाली है, दादा की सूट चाचा की गोली आई है, लोड मशीन और डेनी ने की खामी है, पूल टेबल पे जंग अभी बाकी है, हार के बाद भी खेलते रहेंगे, बेशुदा के ढाबे पे भूख मिटाएंगे, रात के तारों को साथी बनाएंगे, हर हार जीत में मुस्कुराएंगे। खेल से ज्यादा ये दोस्ती की कहानी, पूल की बॉल से बनी जिंदगानी, टेंशन दूर हुई, दिल हल्का हुआ, हर रात नई याद बन गई।